Hello, all. How are you all doing? Are we responsible for all the actions in our life? Yes or no? You might be thinking, what kind of a question is this? We are responsible, of course, for all the actions in our life. Yes, we are. But then sometimes, why do we blame the circumstances? Why do we blame others? Why do we blame sometimes our parents and God itself? That what is happening to me, why it is happening to me. So what happens is not determining the quality and quantity of your life. It is basically what you do or what we do that brings in the change in our life. Situations are same almost for everyone. There could be little ups and downs, but more or less it remains the same. But the attitude towards approaching is different. One person might say, we'll do it today, now, later. But the person who's there, who wants to do, he'll say, I'll do it now. When it rains everywhere uniformly. It doesn't rain heavily sometimes at one place and just stops at some place. It doesn't happen like that. I'll just give you an example. The other day, I just saw a caption in the newspaper: two sons sitting together, and they both are the sons of a beggar. And in the photo, one son is a beggar, the other person is a CEO of a company. So, what is the difference? The difference is the attitude of each of their sons. One person remains to be a beggar because he didn't change, he didn't take any responsibility of his life to go to next step. But the other son, he took responsibility, or he took the challenge that I'll be one of the most knowledgeable person or a CEO of a company, and he did it. So that is the attitude, but he was responsible for his own life. That is what we mean responsibility or taking accountability of our life. We need to do changes in our life, we need to take massive action. Another example, a real example, which happened with me. I had told two of the sales guys to go on the next day for sales calls, and it started raining heavily the next day morning. So one of the sales guys said, wow, it's raining, I need not go anywhere, I can be at home. But the other sales guy, he took it in a different manner. Same situation, but the other guy says, oh wow, what an opportunity for me. None of the sales people would be around. But then I have so much of work to do and I'll go and I'll do it. Same situation, but different reactions. So, what we do matters the most. We can do a lot of changes. We can take accountability or responsibility of our life and do so many changes in our lives day in, day out. It could start with a small thing in the morning, getting up early. Whatever time we are getting up, just push it a little, half an hour or 1 hour early. You might be saying why this guy is telling us to do all these things. Why I'm telling you all this is because I was a different person earlier, and now I have seen change in myself. Earlier I never used to read books. Now I am reading books. Earlier I used to get up around 6 o'clock. Now I am getting up at 5 o'clock, doing some gratitude. I have a better control on myself. The same way you can also do, bringing change on yourself. You start with a small thing. For example, getting up early in the morning, getting ready. When you are going to office or when you are in the office, just say hello to everyone. That will bring a change in your subordinates as well. They'll have a great feeling that my boss is saying hello to me, rather than just simply going and sitting in your chamber. Give some roles to other people where they are not doing anything. Give some positive suggestions or options to your boss, through which your boss might get very impressed with you. Bring that change. Otherwise you always be in your chamber, and whenever boss calls you go and report to him. This change will bring and have a very good impact as well on your boss. Whenever the increment time comes, he might recommend you for a promotion for whatever you are doing, for whatever value addition you are doing for the organization. So there is a lot of positive change which happens when we keep doing the small little things. This is what the importance of self responsibility or accountability, and taking responsibility of our life, taking control. We have lot of emotions. The other day I had told you, we have lot of emotions, thoughts, actions, and we need to do actions, and through words we sometimes hurt ourselves and hurt others. But then you need to have a cooling effect, or you need to have a thorough control on what you do. This is so important. And why can't you do this from today and from now? Take massive action and bring a small change in yourself, which will bring automatically change in your family, which will bring a change in your surroundings. Your atmosphere will become more vibrant. So let's do it now. And this is not only for you, but you can create a change in your colleagues and other people as well. So I hope I'm able to bring in a little change in your attitude, so that you can start doing or pushing yourself to achieve your goals and start taking massive action. So this is what I wanted to convey to you, that take control on your life, which will bring in more positivity in you. If you feel like this has added value to you, please ask your friends, please share it with your friends, so that I can give more of such information to you. And if you really like this video, please share a like and give feedback as well. Thank you.